Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making autumn salmon. It's getting pretty close to winter, but autumn salmon, you can fix that any time of the year. So what all goes into autumn salmon? 1 cup apple cider, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup butter, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon rosemary, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 small red onion or 1 small shallot thinly sliced, and 1 pound salmon fillet. So let's begin. So take a 9 by 13 glass baking dish. This is a little bit smaller but not much. I'm going to dump in my 1/4 cup butter. I softened it a little bit just so it can mix in with everything else. Then add your 1 cup of apple cider, the 1/4 cup of soy sauce, the 2 cloves of garlic minced, the 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, the 1 teaspoon of pepper, and the 1 shallot thinly sliced, and mix that all together until thoroughly combined. Take the salmon and put it in the mixture. And flip it around just to make sure that it's all incorporated. You want this inside up while it's marinating, and then marinate it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 375. All right, so it just came out of the oven after 30 minutes, marinating with the skin side up. We're going to flip this back over, and I'm going to add, where the butter didn't get completely dissolved, I'm going to put the onions and the butter on the top. That'll just give it a little bit more flavoring. Then take your autumn salmon, put it in a preheated 375-degree oven. For 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145. So I took it out after 20 minutes. Let's check and see if it reaches the internal temperature of 145. And it has. It's still climbing. So here is the autumn salmon, and it's laying on a bed of coconut rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I know this is some kind of fish, I think.
It is autumn salmon.
Okay. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.